Alright, let's continue with part 3 of the chapter. So we have reciprocal reflexives. So, more reflexive verbs. More uses of se. So far, we learned that the reflexive verbs indicate that the subject does something to themselves, right? So what we are learning this time is that the action um, is shared between more people, so meaning that it's reciprocal. So something does something to each other. So, for example, the verb mirar means to look at. So if you add the reflexive pronoun se to the end, mirarse, that means look at each other. So, for example, los niños se miran en el parque. So that means that like kids look at each other in the park. Okay, so the only thing that you need to know about this is that the reflexive pronouns that we use when it's reciprocal action are only the plural ones. Why? Because this implies more than one person, so you cannot use the reflexive pronouns that are me, te, or se. It needs to be the plural ones. So we're using nos, os, and se. And so, for example, another example would be besarse. So, besar, it means just to kiss. Besarse means to kiss each other. So, for example, nosotros nos besamos en la playa. So, we kissed each other at the beach. So, that's it for reciprocal reflexive. It's not too hard. So, I'm confident that you will do really well on this part. And I'm gonna move on to the next part. So